like I did something wrong. He flipped me the bird, and then he was gone some beach. Somewhere there's a big umbrella casting shade over an beach. Palm trees are growing, warm breezes blowing. I picture myself right there on some beach somewhere. I circle the parking lot trying to find a spot just big enough I could park my old truck. A man with a big cigar was getting into his car. I stopped and I waited for him to back up. But from out of nowhere a Mercedes-Benz came cruising up and whipped right in some beach somewhere. There's nowhere to go and you got all day to get there. There's cold margaritas and hot senoritas smiling with long dark hair on some beach somewhere. Well, I sat in that waiting room, it seemed like all afternoon. The nurse finally said, "Doc's ready for you. You're not gonna feel a thing. We'll give you some Novocaine. That tooth will be fine in a minute or two." But he stuck that needle down deep in my gum, and he started drilling before I was numb. Some beach somewhere. There's a beautiful sunset burning up the atmosphere. There's music and dancing and lovers romancing the salty evening air on some beach somewhere. On some beach somewhere.
This dance is Rockin, choreographed by Anita McNabb. It's a 32 count, 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, walk forward, right, left, shuffle forward, right, left, right, rock, forward, recover, shuffle a half, turn left. Section 2 is the same as section 1. Walk forward, right, left, shuffle forward, right, left, right, rock, forward, recover, shuffle a half, turn left. Section 3, point and walk, right, left, repeat, point and walk, right, left. Last section, rock forward, recover, shuffle a quarter, turn right, cross, side, coaster, step. Weight is on my left, I'm facing 3 and start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And that's the whole dance.